First question on the board. Shalom, question about the story between King David and Batsheva.
Okay.
Why did Batsheva deserve to be married to Uriah the Hittite?
First of all, he was I don't remember all of the details, but he was a very decent man, just so you know. He was a very good guy. And she was daughter of, what was his name? This wicked person who did not have, it says about him, he does not have a share in the world to come. Can't remember. So he's from the time of Shaul, Ahitophel. Maybe not Ahitophel, the second guy. So in the time of Shaul, in the story of the north, when he said Loshen Hara about this coin, Elimelech, and the whole city was slaughtered. Actually, I mean, I cannot remember his name, but it's like in my mind, but I cannot say it. Okay, so yeah, so he was very righteous man, this Uriah, and we will see from the story when he came from the battle, and David said, yeah, you have vacations, like how all of the soldiers dream about vacation, go home, like I don't know, be with the family, be with the wife, eat normal food, right, and relax a little, right, rest from the battlefield. But he said no, like my brethren are suffering. They're in the trenches in some sense, right? And I'm going to be here. No, I'm going to head. I did my mission. I delivered the message to the king, and I am going to back to my brethren. So if I die, I die. I mean, so you see, he's a very noble man, right? On one hand, on another hand, this is actually I just remember this one of the examples that sages use when so Batsheva was destined to be the David's wife, that's for sure. But sometimes because of our life choices, we're not merited to marry what they designated for us and from Shemayim. Understand? So it's also like this is one of the examples, even though it was predestined before, but because I don't remember exactly whose fault is it or why circumstances, maybe she was not on the right level, maybe he was not on the right level, maybe she was supposed to bring him to that level of Teshuvah and being close to Hashem, right? But that's one of the examples that they use. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.